wel tome bak e verhouene. In todays vrij important ant ergent update, wij vergodbreking neef strijg het from Zuid-Afrika dat wil de redlei afet millions of elderlei citizens reling onte sassa oot aangegrand. Just 5 minuutjes ago neef information droppe dat confirms a major in crease toete oot aangegrand, antwoorde not just talking about a small change. Tes update in Schlides neef jualification details, benefit het pensioen strategisch, ant itchachtlei hof au kan insire au or our loofet ones rekijfete absolute maximum from te revisit support system. Weter aure already retijfing te sassa oot aangegrand or aure helping a familie member navigate te application proces, tes neef skuld belifetchanging. So sit het listen kloselei, aanstai tien het intelte en bekause were gewoon toebreek e verreiting doven in kleer, simple langhage aantmake sire au walk awai witte alte knofletge au nie toetake veel advantage of tese neefchanges. Nov, let's getrig het into het te Zuid-Afrikaan Social Security Agency, moere commonlei knov na SASSA, has just confirmeerd aan officieel in crease toete oot aangegrand, aan in crease dat manai advokase groups, economic analysts, aan pensioners themselves halve been demanding for months. After months of deliberation and growing pressure from citizens who rely on the grant to survive, the government has finally responded. Ante numbers don't lead, tes change is more than symbolic. De grant in crease is part of a wider national strategy to help alleviate the burden of inflation, increased food costs, and rising energy bills that have disproportionately impacted older South-Africans. With the grocerypryse skyrocketing and utility costs rising each month, pensioners have been left trying to stretch already limited resources just to make it to the net by day. So wat shang het, and how much more kan hou nog het bed to rekijven. Effectieve immediately, te oot aangegrand has been in crease by 100 per month. Wele dat mag het noodzakelijke match to some, when our living on a fitted in some, every rand counts. Antes isn't just a onze of payment or a temporary uplift like we verseen in past years. Tes in crease is permanent and is part of a long-term shift in how the South African government is planning to structure its welfare programs moving forward. According to Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana, this boost is the first step in a series of upcoming adjustments that are expected to follow in the next financial year. The end goal. To not only maintain but actually improve the purchasing power of senior citizens in the country, ensuring their life and dignity, with the ability to afford the basic necessities of life. So hoeft dus this impact our loofet on specifically. Let's go over the eligibility criteria first. It's important to note that not everyone qualifies for the SASSA oot aangegrand. To be eligible, the applicant must be a South African citizen, permanent resident, or a refugee with the correct legal documentation. The person must also be 60 years of age or older. Nov, hier is weer het gets critical, insurance and assets are also taken into account. For individuals, ou must not earn more than R92,520 per jaar, and for married couples, the combined income must not exceed R185,040 annually. If ou fall within those income brackets and meet the age and citizenship requirements, ou eligible to apply for the oot aangegrand. It's that simple, but there are also some lesser known tips and tricks to ensure how don't miss out. If oure applying for the first time, maak sire ou vergatter het al te necessary documentation before jading to a SASSA offite or applying online. Hou niet ouer Zuid-Afrikaan het, proof of residence, proof of marital status if applicable, and proof of income and assets. Te smoother and more complete houer paperwork is, te faster the processing time. Manai people gedelayed because they forget a single bit of information. It's also worth noting that if our recurring for a dependent grandchild under 18, ou may also qualify for the child support grant alongside our old age grant, which gaan provide an even greater boost to our household's financial stability. Now let's talk about how to maximize the benefits from the old age grant. First, take advantage of automatic banking transfers. Money seniors still collect their payments in person, which not only wastes time and money on transport but also it poses them to unnecessary security risks. By setting up a direct deposit with our preferred bank, our ensure that our grant reaches our account safely and on time. I will also be able to track spending more efficiently and avoid unnecessary service fees that come with the bicycle cash transactions. Second, it's worth the enrolling in the sound programs and loyalty schemes tailored specifically for pensioners. Many grocery stores, pharmacies and even utility companies offer special pensioen rates or discounts if you self proof of our grant status. Overtime deze savings gaan add up to hundreds or even thousands of rands per jaar. As our local store if they have any such programs, many don't advertise them publicly but are more than willing to help when as get directly. Another strategy to maximize our old age grant is to combine it with the other social programs. The government offers a number of supplementary support options that often go in climate. These include free or discounted municipal services, property tax exemptions for senior citizens, and even medical assistance programs. If you not sure what you qualify for, visit our local Department of Social Development office or speak with the SASSA representative. There are dedicated social workers whose job it is to help you navigate these systems. And here is another tip that many people overlook: avoid private loans and kyk cash services that target pensioners. These institutions often offer fast money at extreme lae interest rates, trapping seniors in a cycle of debt that's almost impossible to break. Instead, if you struggling financially, speak with a licensed financial advisor or a social worker who can guide you toward government programs and legitimate support structures. Remember, the purpose of the old age grant is to provide stability, not to be easy at buying of predatory lenders. One more vital way to protect and maximize our grant is to be vigilant against fraud. Recently, there has been a rise in scammers targeting SASSA beneficiaries, especially the elderly. These criminals often pose as SASSA officials, asking for our number, SASSA vaartpin, or other personal information. Always remember, SASSA will never ask for our PIN or personal banking details over the phone or via SIMs. If you receive a suspicious message, report it immediately to the SASSA fraud hotline. Protecting our grant starts with protecting our information. Another bit of good news that came out alongside the grant increase announcement is the expansion of mobile and online application platforms. Starting this year, SASSA is rolling out upgraded systems that allow new applicants to submit their paperwork digitally and check their payment status in real time. This is a major win, especially for seniors living in remote areas or those with limited mobility. The online portal will also provide automated alerts for payment dates, deductions, and application updates. This new digital initiative is part of SASSA's broader effort to modernize the grant system and make it more accessible and efficient for all users. Bid with al deze changes, wat dus de vertieren lokelijke voor de SASSA old age grant. Well, according to internal reports from the Department of Social Development, there are ongoing decisions about tying vertieren grant increases to inflation rates more directly. This means that rather than waiting for annual budget speeches to a year if there will be a boost, pensioners could potentially receive automated cost of living adjustments every 5 months, keeping their purchasing power stable regardless of the economy. While this plan is still under development, it reflects a broader shift in thinking, where social support is not just a form of charity but a right that adapts to real-world conditions. We're also seeing more talk about how to integrate technology and financial literacy programs for seniors. Several NGOs and government departments are of piloting workshops that help older citizens learn how to use smartphones and manage their finances through mobile apps. These programs not only improve independence but also reduce the risk of financial abuse, which remains a serious concern in many communities. The more informed and empowered pensioners are, the better they help at using every rand to its fullest potential. Let's take a moment to break down a hypothetical example of all deze strategies komen toegeter. Imagine an elderly woman named Tandy, who is 67 years old, living in a rural town with limited access to services. Sy applies for the old grant and sets up direct deposit into a bank account. Sy also learns about a local grocery store that offers 10 discounts to pensioners every Tuesday. Additionally, Tandy attends a financial literacy seminar where sy learns to track her monthly spending using a simple budgeting app on her phone. Because of this, sy notices sy spending too much on electricity and discover sy qualifies for a municipal subsidy that reduces her bill by 30. All of these steps, simple but strategic, allow her to stretch her 2,180 grand far beyond wat sy was able to do before. And with it never 100 in creation of added, says even better positioned to cover her monthly needs. Stories like Tandy's are becoming more common and I so just how impactful it can be to not only receive the old grant but to understand how to navigate the system efficiently. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to financial stability in retirement. And the best part is, these tools and resources are available to everyone, many of them completely free of charge. As we wrap up today's update, let us serve as both a celebration and a call to action. The recent increase to the SASSA old grant is a step in the right direction, but the work doesn't stop here. If our Shomune Houknof qualifies for this grant, take the time to double check our paperwork, apply for additional support, and take advantage of every resource available. Don't let bureaucracy or a lack of information stand in the way of the benefits you deserve. Reach out to our local SASSA office, speak with a social worker, or even ask younger family members to help navigate online systems. Willow bekeping a close eye on future announcements, and as always, willow bring out the latest information the moment it becomes available. These changes don't just represent rands and kens, they represent piace of mint, dignity, and the ability to live without fear of poverty in one's golden years. Every senior deserves that, and together we can make sure it happens. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, informative, or empowering, please give it a thumbs up and share it with the anyone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a crucial update. This is our channel for real news that makes a real difference. Stay safe, stay informed, and until next time take care and bewel.